Hello, this is Kristi Sullivan. Thank you very much for tuning into my video blog. I am with Sullivan Financial Planning in Denver, Colorado. Today's video is a companion piece to a blog that I wrote about what can you do with your safe money. It's so frustrating right now to have money in a savings account that's earning 0%. And honestly, I don't have any magic wand to make that better. Only ideas that I have are the ones that would take more risk, albeit slightly more, with your money in order to get more return. But anything that is in my blog or in this video is going to have risk to principal, so please keep that in mind. One thing I did not cover in the blog was the idea of kind of a newer investment type called bullet shares. And these are bond funds or bond ETFs in which all of the bonds have the same maturity date or the same year's maturity date. And instead of reinvesting the proceeds, as those bonds mature to cash, the manager lets the bonds go to cash within the fund or ETF. And eventually, the whole thing matures, and then you don't have any bonds or any up and down movement or interest earning anymore. It just goes to cash, and the fund sort of disappears and liquidates into the core account of your brokerage account. This is another idea as a way to maybe goose returns a little bit on your income producing investments or your safe investments. But again, they're not guaranteed. And even as the funds mature and get to their stated date in the fund name, you may have bought that fund or ETF at a time where the trading price was higher than it is at the time of maturity. You could have bought it at a time where it was lower than the time of maturity, so you may make money on the investment. The fact is you will get more interest than you will in a savings account or investment or money market account with the bullet shares, but there are no guarantees of return of principal. So if you're willing to take that risk, that might be an area to do more research on. Thanks for listening. I hope it was helpful. Have a great day.